Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you all been? I have been a bit bored, but I have tried to keep myself occupied. So today's video is going to be a Marsala date look. It's the fourth part of my makeup diary, and this is the kind of look that you can use just after the quarantine is over, when you're going to meet your favorite person or your family members, relatives, friends, etc. It's a very classy and chic look, and it makes you look extremely gorgeous. And the Marsala look actually came in popularity when, I don't know exactly the year, but it came in popularity, when it was a highlighted wedding look for a particular year, as far as I remember. I used to go through the fashion magazines and everything, and then I came to know. So from that time I have wanted to create Marsala looks, and Marsala is one of my most favorite colors, because it makes you look gorgeous and it suits all the complexions. So it's like a very fantastic color. So without much rambling, let's get into the video. I'm going to begin by prepping my skin. This is my naked skin after I've just washed my face. So after that, I'm going to use 4 products today for prepping my skin. The first is this is the rose water. This is you can use the rose water from any brand. Then I'm gonna use a serum. This is from Lakme. This is their radiance one. And after this, I will be using 2 other moisturizers. One is a Lakme Absolute Skin Gloss Gel Cream. Okay, and along with that I'm going to use the most popular rose gold oil. You'll be seeing this in all my videos. So I'll be mixing all the products. First I'll be going in with the rose water, then the serum, then the moisturizers. So yes. Done prepping my skin. You can see how my skin looks after I've prepped it up. So I wanted it to look glowy and dewy for the look, because Marsala goes very nice with a glowy effect on your skin. So okay, so I'll begin with my eyes. For my eyes I'll be using 3 products. The first is the L'Oreal Paris mascara. This is their fall / superstar collection. It has 2 parts. One is the white shade and the other the black. This gives you a very prolonged effect and lengthens your eyelashes and all. And then I'll be using this blush from the Infallible collection, long high impact stick. I don't exactly remember which brand this is, but somewhere this is in the peach shade. And along with that I'll be using a lip pencil. This is in the shade, I don't know what, but I'll be mentioning it along with my video somewhere. So I'll be using 3 products. So I'm done with my eyes, like you can see, and then I'll be going in with the same lip liner to do my lining of the lips. Then followed by I'll be using 2 shades. This is from Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink. It's in the shade 45 Escapist. So that's it for the lipstick one. And lipstick 2 is Urban Color Love Me Matte Lip Color Burgundy 04. So it's in the shade 04. So yeah. I filled in my lips with the lip liner, and I forgot to mention that. Now I'm done with my lips. This is how my lips look. So I'm gonna while I was doing the lipstick, there a little bit of the lipstick has come on my fingers. I'm going to use it as a blush. And then I'm going to So now I'm going to go in with the highlighter. This is from L'Oreal Paris. It's the Liquid Glow Illuminator Prime and Highlight. So it's in the shade Rose. I'm going to put it. So my face is done, my makeup is done. I'll just be going with the accessories. I'll be using the this ear pins, and I'll be using a nose pin. So that's it. I'm done with accessorizing and makeup. Now I'll be doing my hair. I'll just be brushing out my hair simply, and then I'll be putting it into a ponytail. Sorry, not a ponytail. I'll be putting it into a half bun in a messy way. So, yeah. Hi guys, so I'm done. This is how I'm looking after the entire makeup and accessorizing and everything is done. Maybe I just have pulled out too much of hair, but my hair is not layered in such a way because after just my fringes I'm having long layers, so that is what I could do with my hair right now. But I guess it's okay because style is all about what you can carry and what you can bring out in front of the world, and that is what I'm doing actually. So yeah, I hope you guys like the look, and if you like it then please definitely like, comment and subscribe, and I'll be posting more tips and tricks and hacks in my Facebook page. It will be linked down in the description box below, and I hope you guys like the look. And in case you want to see some other makeup tutorials, like in particular you have something in mind, then definitely let me know. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, stay home and take care. Bye bye.